Hello, welcome to my channel again. This is Devin, and right now I'm logged into my EtherChain back office. The site is up after like 2 days of maintenance. You know, we had some issues of gas fees. Gas fees were way too high, and we didn't even manage to withdraw some little funds. But the site is up. The gas fee are good. They are no longer very high as they used to be. So this is EtherChain, and if you look at its reserve here, the smart contract balance is over 4,800 ETH, which is pretty good, and the amount withdrawn by members is over 1,000, which it has increased a bit here, which is normal. In the daily pool, we have 100 ETH. This ETH is too much for the daily pool. It used to be like in 85, 60, now it is. And also the top referrers are also doing some pretty good job here. You have brought in 33.6 ETH in a day, so that is quite healthy for the program. And let me try to make a withdrawal and see how the gas fees are pretty reduced so much. So far I can be able to withdraw only this. If I try to withdraw, it's connecting to my MetaMask. You see now it is only charging like $1.6. Last time it used to be like $13, $20, which was way too much. So it is the withdraw. The gas fee is now healthy. You guys can go in and withdraw your funds. And those who have not yet registered, I'm going to leave a link in my description of this video. You can join with a MetaMask wallet, with a Trust wallet, with a and you can make 310% of your ETH. For example, you invest in 1 ETH, you can be able to make 3.1 ETH. So that's 310%. If you decide to go without referring members, you can earn that in 310 days, because each day you get 1%. If you refer some members, you can attain the 310% way much faster than that. So me personally, I've invited in some members, 18 members, and in the team so far I have 34. So that is EtherChain. The withdrawal fee is revised. I think it is gonna blow up now. Many people are going to join. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. You guys can register and make 310% of your ETH. Thanks. See you in another video.